Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clone yourself in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I'm using this here video of horses running along or galloping along a road. This is not a good example video since the background is moving. However, it will suffice for this tutorial since I'm only going to be showing you guys a proof of concept. So let's get on and actually get to explaining things. Now, firstly, what you want to do is create a separate video track or a couple of separate video tracks, depending on how many clones you want. If you want one clone, you're going to need two tracks. If you want two clones, you're going to need three, and so on and so on. And I'll cut the video somewhere along the middle. For example, I'll be cloning this here horse's head, and I'll cut this in half right here. Now you want to overlap them on top of each other like so that they are, well, on top of each other. Now what you want to do, select the part that you actually want to clone and go into the color tab. As you can see, you'll have a node over here, and what you want to do is right click and add an alpha output, and this will black out any part that we select. Now, what we want to mask the part that we're going to be cloning, in this case, is going to be this horse's head. So I'm just going to select this pen icon or pen tool and zoom in on the horse's head, and in as much detail as possible, just go around and select the actual parts of the horse that I want to clone. And for some reason, it does not want to work. There we go. And you just want to select to the most detail that you can the parts that you want to clone. For example, like this. Pay attention to the ears as well. For some reason, it's not cloning perfectly, but there we go. It has masked it completely. And now that it has masked it, you want to connect the actual alpha output, or this green square, to the green output or the blue output. And as you can see, it has been masked, and I can very easily just reverse it by clicking this button here, and I can remove the head, or I can add it like so. And now this head is going to be overlapping this original video, but first what we want to do is track it. So go to the tracking part while selecting the masked part of the video, and then I'll just press this double arrow icon here, which is track forward and reverse, and it is tracking the head like so. And once it's tracked it completely, it will be able to clone. Because I didn't select it the best possible way, it will go around a bit, around or all over the screen, but it doesn't matter. The proof of concept is what's important. And then if I go back into this part, as you can see, the head is cloned, and it is, as I've mentioned, not the best since the background is not stationary. But if I play it, as you can see, the head is cloned and it is overlapping this one here. Now I could switch them around and the head will be behind the actual video or the main part of the video. And if I play it right now, it doesn't appear for some reason, but never mind. That's pretty much what you need to know. If I arrange them as you should, as you can see, the head is in front. The reason the head is not visible is because it's way behind the background even here, so it will not be visible. But if I play it, you'll see the head is cloned, and that's pretty much the proof of concept that you need. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.